Hi, if you want to unprivate your YouTube channel, this is how you can do it. So on YouTube, basically, privating your channel is privating your videos. So if you want to unprivate your channel, you're going to have to unprivate your videos. There are three types of privating in the YouTube format, and those are public, those are not publicly available, and private. My videos are on Croatian right now, but it's the same button layout. So this one is currently on public, my portfolio. And if we just click on the drop down menu, we have private, not publicly available, and public. So the private videos are going to be completely private, and you as the owner of the channel are going to be able to view them. Not publicly available basically gives you a link that you can send to people, and people can view it only with your link. And public is when the videos are fully public. So if you want them fully public, you have to put them on public, obviously, and just go through all your videos and put them on public. That's it.